Continuing the Maddington Toyota Sprintcar series here in WA, and it's obviously there's nowhere else to be at the minute in Australia, so it's cool to live over here and commit to that.
Yeah, I mean, we want to win the Maddington Toyota Sprintcar series, so it's obviously tough. It's getting tougher every year, and
you need to now, with the calibre of guys that are here, it needs to be consistently top three. Like it's not something where you can be a consistent top five and win a championship. So it's just about being the best.
Consistency, like it really is. Just, turn up and qualify, hot lap good, qualify good, heat race good, start at the front of the feature and run 30 good laps, and that's all it is. It's just being consistent and getting in a groove.
It's so tough. People from the outside probably don't realise there's guys out there been racing for 10, 15 years and they still haven't had a feature win.
You need to be on your game throughout the entire night. Like one slip in a heat and all of a sudden you're starting 8th or 10th, and starting 10th here it's a very difficult thing to win. We've got a very deep field of guys that can win here.
You're on edge when you're driving these cars and you're giving 120%. So to win a race, you've got to be good from hot laps all the way through to the checkered flag. People probably don't realise that sprint car racing is so mental, but you're the only one in that car. You haven't got communication with anyone. It's all up to you, sort of thing, when you're out there.
It's probably the best facilities I've ever seen. It's fast, long straights, sort of like a flowy track. Just against the wall. That's sort of how I can explain it. It's not tight or real hooked up. It's just long, fast, slick to the wall.
I think it's hard to explain the professionalism of the Motorplex to even other Speedway people around the country. We can go anywhere else and it feels second level to the Motorplex. It really does bring the professionalism of the sport up, and not just that, the track itself, they very rarely miss with the track there as well. So it always creates good racing and makes it good for us guys to get out and be able to pass cars and put on a show for the fans.
The Californian wins here on night one at Perth. What a drive! What a drive!
To see so much passion in the race fans here, and that's why I really made it a point to come this year and come to Perth, and one of the most beautiful facilities in the world. I get the luxury to travel to a lot of racetracks in America, and this facility here and the fan atmosphere and everything Gavin and Perth Motorplex have going on is something really special, and it's something that I really going to enjoy bringing home to my family and telling them all about it.
If you are a Speedway fan, this is absolute honey. As the field of 24 make their way down this main straight. Green at this time, the Perth Motorplex, down the Triple M back straight we go. Williamson back to the lead for a moment. Sweet finds back in the Napa Auto Parts car, but Williamson leads another lap, and look at Abreu to the bottom. He might just get the lead here in the 24. We're watching something special here at the moment.
It was pretty cool. Trying to be calm, but I just think the track got so aggressive up high. I just kind of got up on the wheel and decided I wanted to win the race.
Sprintcar Series champion. How about it for Dane Kingshot?